Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The Grievance Redressal Committee (FCI) issued an order dated 26/5/2020, which is contrary to its earlier order dated 21/11/2019 and pursuant to the order dated 26/5/2020 of the Grievance Redressal Committee. The FCI Regional Office issued the erroneous letter dated 28/5/2020 in favor of the private respondent. Stop. Combating his submissions, learned counsel appearing for the FCI has submitted that the technical bids were opened on 12/12/2018 and the result thereof was uploaded on 19/2/2019, but the petitioner did not question the result of the technical bids, including its disqualification, and only Messrs. Shiva Transport Company filed a writ petition being CWP number 148 of 2009 challenging its disqualification, which was disposed of by this court on 14/9/2019. Stop. After about 8 months, the letter of acceptance dated 29/10/2019 was issued in favor of the private respondent, but in the meantime, in respect of a similar NIT for appointment of road transport contractor, the Grievance Redressal Committee (FCI), while considering the representation of Messrs. KC Group, issued an order dated 21/11/2019 observing that a blank undertaking without duly filled up with desirable particulars cannot be said to be complete in terms of the provisions stipulated in the NIT. Stop. As a corrective measure, the FCI Regional Office scrapped the tender for appointment of the contractor for transportation of food grains from Jiribag to FSD Bishanpur, which was challenged by the private respondent. Stop. The High Court, vide its order dated 30/1/2020, directed the petitioner to approach the Grievance Redressal Committee (FCI), which on consideration of the representation dated 5/2/2020 submitted by the private respondent, set aside the letter dated 24/12/2019, observing that the corrective action could not have been applied retrospectively to all contracts already awarded and the corrective measures can be taken in the future tendering process. Stop. There is no record to show that the representations dated 6/5/2019 and 4/11/2019 have been received by the FCI Regional Office, and the petitioner filed the writ petition by enclosing fake documents. Stop. Relying upon the decision rendered by the Honorable Supreme Court in Ramjas Foundation and another versus Union of India and others, it has been submitted by him that since the petitioner has not come to this court with clean hands, the writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Stop. It has further been submitted by him that the petitioner has participated in the tender by submitting MTF, wherein, as per clause 20, the petitioner ought to have approached the Grievance Redressal Committee (FCI) for redressal of its grievance before approaching this court, for which the decision rendered by this court in CWP number 216 of 2009 was relied upon. Stop. It has been submitted by learned senior counsel appearing for the private respondent that since the petitioner has not challenged the disqualification of its bid, nor did it challenge the letter of acceptance dated 29/10/2019, the petitioner has no locus standi to challenge the order dated 26/5/2020 of the Grievance Redressal Committee (FCI) and the letter dated 28/5/2020 issued by the FCI Regional Office. Stop. As is evident from the affidavit of the FCI, the alleged representations were manufactured by the petitioner to get a favorable order from this court. Over.